Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 15T Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM into this device. So, to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, straighten on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. As long as obviously the thickness of this isn't going to be exceeding what the actual area here is. Now, as you can see, that's where our tray is located at, the bottom. So grab your tool, find the insert area, which is part of this cutout, and then push it in. When you do, you can see that the tray pops out, enough for you to just pull it out. On the tray, you have space for 2 SIM cards, one on each side. Which one, if you're planning to use just one, it doesn't matter which one you use. You can use bottom or top, so it's completely up to you. And both of these trays, top and bottom, have retention brackets, so you will need to make sure that the card is clipped in place. The way you know it is, if you flip it upside down, the card shouldn't be falling out of the tray. From there, insert it back into your device. And as you probably can see, there is also no SD card support here, unfortunately. So now we can wake up our screen, and you can see it tells me to confirm my SIM card pin. Let's do that. And it's now ready. So my SIM card is unlocked and I can use it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.